Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find out customer credit worthiness. So, for any bank, like any financial institution where you are applying for a loan, they always check your CIBIL score. They always check the credit worthiness and they conduct the due diligence whether customer is capable enough to pay back the loan. So we have to find out such Excel function in Excel credit worthiness. So guys, how do we find out? So you can see this is the formula we have, and these are the customers where we have to find out these customers meeting criteria or not. How do we find out that? Credit rating should be greater than equal to 5. Okay, that we have to find out. So if customer rating is greater than equal to 5, they will be extended credit. Then how to build that formula? It's very simple. You can simply create a logic, Boolean logic, whether this greater than equal to 5 or not. So that returns Boolean value. As you can see, these are the Boolean value. Here you can create a logic if, okay, if this value greater than equal to 5, so you can mention here extend credit. Else you can mention here no. So this is the formula. If else we can apply. So wherever you have true, that those customers will get credit or loan. I hope this is clear. Let me show you next example. This is the example where you have to find out two criteria should be met by the customers. So there the criteria is credit rating should be greater than equal to 6 and sales should be greater than equal to 500,000. Then if both conditions are satisfied, then customer will be given loan. Then how do we solve this problem? Then we have to create AND formula. Both logics, both conditions should be met. This value greater than equal to 6 and comma, this value greater than equal to 500,000. And see that this is the answer I'm getting. So you can consider this logical test which returns true false value. If that condition is satisfied, you can extend credit, else you can mention no. And see that this is the answer we are getting. So here you can see, and you can drag the formula by pressing Ctrl D. So only this customer is satisfying the condition. Like how? Because credit rating is also meeting 6 greater than equal to 6, or the sale is also greater than equal to 500,000. And that's how you can create your logical function in Excel. I hope guys you found this useful. For more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe, and love.